Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you about recording calls you've made to a contact. There's really two ways to record a call that you've made to a contact. The first is if you've scheduled a call on your calendar, and you can view that either on your calendar or your task list. It doesn't matter. If you've scheduled a call, you've made that call and cleared it, the last reach field right here will be updated with today's date. But in this case, let's say that I did not have a call scheduled and it was just a random call. I decided to call this gentleman Richard and I wanted to record that I did that. Well, I'm going to go up and click on history right here, and this box will pop up. And I have set it in preferences, which I'll show you how to do in another tutorial. I've set it to assume that anytime I record that a call was made, it was completed. And I'm 100% comfortable with that because I know that 99.99% of the time, I'm either going to speak to the person, probably about 25% of the time, or I'm going to leave a message roughly 75% of the time. But technically, the call was completed. I got either voicemail or the person. I don't split hairs there. I think for a small business, it's not that important to distinguish whether it was completed or not. Just the fact that you took that action is more important. Now, what's going to happen is I want to draw your attention over here to the call reach field. Now, in the regarding field, I have set it so there's only two choices, either left message or spoke, one or the other, because I know that's what's going to happen. So I can record it right here, the outcome. But having said that, even that to me is not that important. What's more important is what's going to happen when I click OK. I'm going to click OK. And I want you to see that the last time I called this person and reached them was on 4/17/2020. That field is vital because if you're trying to keep track of when you need to call someone, if this field is blank, Act believes you've never called them. If the field has a date, that's a signal or a sign to you that tells you the last time you called them. Therefore, because you have a field that has a date, if you said to me, hey, Tony, could you find all the contacts in which I haven't called in 90 days? I could do that by doing a lookup based on that date. So it's really important that you record things because by recording them, you can later on go back and find information that might be relevant to you. By recording things, you can find information that's relevant to you that you didn't recognize was going to be relevant until maybe down the road. So very important. Use one of these fields. I do recommend the call reach field. Typically, I take call attempt right out. And with the preferences, I make this so easy to do. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.